be all of my property. All of my property. I give you authority. I give you authority. If you go down like economy, baby, you go follow me. Follow me. I would like to know what you want.
Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys gorgeous wig from EayonHair.com, www.eayonhair.com. and then Vicky will be the one to rock this wig. You can see how the wig came. It came with extra combs, elastic band. You can see the elastic band though. And they also came with a pamphlet about their Instagram and all, which I will link in the description box below. It came with a weaving cap, and then you can see the gorgeous wig. And then this wig is their 316 lace frontal Brazilian veggie human hair water wave. It came with combs, can see, and the center of the wig is machine weaving and is stretched also. It came with 2, 3, 4. It came with 4 combs. It's stretched, which is very nice, the machine weaving. And it also came with adjustable straps to secure the wig, which is very nice. And then this is their water wave 180% 24 inches. I'll just go ahead and cut off the excess lace gently. And I will tighten the wig up with the adjustable straps like this so that it will fit Vicky's head. And then she put on a weaving cap already. She did put the one that followed the wig. I already have this. And then she put this on. She will just put on the wig. I did co-wash the wig. This is just the way I received the wig. And then she will just secure the wig on her head like this properly. And look at the wig is very full. This is their 316 lace frontal Brazilian veggie hair water wave, natural color, and 180 density. The wig is already looking gorgeous. And Vicky will just place towel on her neck before I will go ahead and spray in a little bit of water. After this video, I will go ahead and co-wash this wig. And after spraying in a little bit of water, you can see it's looking gorgeous. I will go ahead and pat it, side parts like this. Vicky was just like, I need to do side parts. And I will apply a little bit of got-to-be glue gel. And I will apply it, not much. Just apply it on her forehead like this, not too close to her real hair. Only the front, allow the got-to-be glue gel to be tacky before I will press down the wig. I'll press down the wig gently. Press the both sides. And then I will just press it down, bring out a little bit of baby hairs, spray in more water so that the part will be showing better. Little bit of water. Just use a toothbrush to brush the two sides and apply her color. Then I will apply her color down on the part. I think I need not to do much. Very simple. And then this is the finished look. The wig is very full and soft. Yeah. And then if I could wash this wig, it will be more gorgeous than this. You can see how the wig is popping. Just imagine co-washing this wig, how the wig will look. It will be more gorgeous. I love the color of the wig, natural black. And it suits Vicky perfectly. And then you can see the back of the wig. Very full, very full. If you want wig, go for this wig. Don't forget that this wig is from EayonHair.com. This is their 360 lace frontal Brazilian virgin human hair. And then the texture of this wig is water wave, color natural, color density 180% density, length 24 inches. Details of this wig will be in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.